فبأي آلاء ربكما تكذبان.
First, open your browser app. Then go to the Quran.com website. Here, choose the surah from the Quran that you need. And also choose the ayah. Tap this three-dot button and select Copy Text. Next, open your favorite video editor app, for example VN Video Editor. You can also use other apps, such as KineMaster, Alight Motion, or InShot. Create a new project. Then add a video or photo as a background. If you are using video, mute the audio first. Next, tap Add Text. Select the heading size. Then paste the Quran ayah that you copied earlier. You can change the font type first, to make it more beautiful. For several types of Arabic fonts that I use, you can find them on my website in the description. Set the size and position as desired. You can also delete this ayah number, if it is not needed. Set the duration as desired. Return to the Quran.com website. Then copy the translation. Add text again in your video editing app. Paste the translation. Then set the font type, position, size, and duration again as before. I will add one more text to provide information on the surahs and ayahs of the Quran, or the name of the Quran's reciter. The final step, add an audio from the Muratul Quran chant, according to the surah and ayah, for which we have created the text. At this point, the tutorial is complete. And here are the results. Finally, you only need to save and export your video and share it on YouTube or TikTok platforms. That's all from me. And thanks for watching.